been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for you. So many times I've stranded, cast away on unknown shore.
I should have had a freaking hit, man. We're going to a wakebait. I've seen a few good redfish signs. Alright. See if the switch pays off. See if they'll hit this wakebait. There he is. I knew something was in all this bait, but man, they wanted the wakebait. Good freaking trout. Oh my goodness. Oh. Come on, baby. Get in the freaking net. Damn. Boy, she gave me a run for my money, I tell you what. Nothing like a big trout to make you act like you don't know how to catch a fish. Golly, man. I should have just taken my time with her. That's kind of what I ended up doing towards the end of the fight. Golly. Big old girl, man. Jeez. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I'm gonna let you go. That's a big old girl. She ain't very fat. But man, she got some links. Golly, dude. Definitely overslot. Come on, I'm gonna let you go. You're messing yourself all up. 26. Golly, dude. She would give me a hard time. Well, let's throw this spoon for a little while and see what happens. I'd rather the sun be up a little bit more, but try out my new reel. And my new line. Freaking red right next to me, man. There's the big dude. I seen him swimming around. I got him. When they're that close to me with a spoon, I flutter it. Meaning letting it sink, pick it up, let it sink, pick it up. If I was standing up, I would have been able to see him a lot better, but I seen him swimming right in front of me. Pretty good red. He's slot. Got that spoon all the way down in there. He's a slaughter. Dang, dude, he got it all the way in there. I may have to keep him. He's a keeper. I ain't gonna get it out without messing him up. Nice fish though. He's not bleeding that bad. He'll probably be okay. Nope. Yeah, he is. Well, so much for releasing. He's 21. I guess we'll put him on the stringer. Sorry, dude. I know I made a deal I was going to release y'all, but hey, you swallowed it a little bit too hard. I don't even know how to tie these stringers. Why'd you do it like this? Usually if I'm going to keep fish, I bring a cooler. Well, we picked up the limit after all on the way in.